All right, welcome everyone. Eugene Hughes Motorized. All right, we got a brother down, okay? Check this out right here. That is an x-ray of broken collarbone. The dreaded fender bite got him, okay? He posted on my Facebook group, showed this picture right here of his bike, and what can I say? It happens. I Googled motorized bicycle fender failure, and you get some pictures out there, okay? So I hope you get the picture. Fenders are not safe on a motorized bicycle unless you really go to great lengths to do a little something here, okay? Okay, like I'm one to talk here, but here's my old rat bike that I've been running forever. No front fender, I took that off. Okay, and the rear fender I did modify it here with a little bit heavier piece of steel than what came with it, and I've got some very heavy supports, and it's a very thick fender here. It's thicker than the thinner metal on the newer bikes here. I am going to revisit my mount here, but the way this is mounted, it's less prone to fail than the your typical bracket on a motorized bike. And one thing I will do is put a fender washer inside here where the screw is to help it mount better. The support can just break and the fender flop around. A little something on the fender catches the tire, it pulls the fender on around, and you've got the support, and you take just like taking a string and wrapping it around something, it gets shorter, and that causes that support to dig into the tire. Take a look at this wheel here. That's what happened. The fender spun around, and that support just got wrapped right around the hub and pulled that sucker in. And you're doing 25 miles an hour plus, you're gonna have a problem. Now, one thing that you can do with fenders here is bob them, okay? This Kent La Jolla here, it doesn't have fender struts, okay? Do away with your fender struts and you're gonna be safer. And don't think that the rear fender is immune to this here, because it's got a couple of extra mounting points besides the struts. Here's one here that locked up, okay? I want you to be safe. I want you to be careful. If you think this video is going to help someone, give it a thumbs up. Hey, we got to subscribe, get you some notifications. I want to thank you for watching, and please be careful, wear a helmet, fix your fenders. Thanks for watching.